there were three objectives. I have already talked. These are to increase the shelf life or to extend the shelf life. Another things, to maintain the quality. We cannot improve, just we can maintain the post harvest quality of the horticultural commodity. And another thing, to minimize the weight loss. And obviously there will be loss of the horticultural commodity after harvest, but we can minimize by maintaining different things. Post harvest management, after post harvest management, we can manage, we can minimize the weight loss. These are the major objectives. And for this purpose, this respiration is very important, the major factor. I have already talked in details about the gas composition. I'm talking about the different factors that determine the rate of respiration. And out of this gas composition is very important factor. In the surrounding, there will be 21% oxygen level and 0.03% CO2 level. If we increase the O2, if we decrease the O2 level and increase the certain level of CO2, at that condition we can decrease the rate of respiration. Slightly O2 level घटाउने र CO2 level हामीले बढाउने gas composition set गर्यो भने we can reduce the rate of respiration. This is another factor. Okay? And at the end, okay, so your slide change bhako cha. Have you seen it clearly about slide sound? Do we both group take sir? Or today? And at the end, in summary, I will going to summarize the different factors that affect the respiration. Okay, just one important factor, temperature. I have already talked. If we increase the temperature, if there is double in temperature, the respiration every 10 degrees centigrade, the respiration rate will be double. That means if we increase the temperature, the rate of respiration rate will be increased. About the gas composition, if we reduce the O2 level and increase the CO2 level, we can reduce the O2 level up to the 5%, and we can increase the CO2 level up to 5%. This is the above 5 level, that is critical level, that is start anaerobic respiration. At that condition, we can reduce the rate of respiration. And other factor, ons or stress. By the ons or stress, at that point, the respiration rate will be increased. Types of plants. What type of plants? For example, yesterday I have talked, you can compare between lychee and apple, but apple plant, apple fruits, that deteriorate later. Its life will be longer with compared to lychee fruit. Why?
Lychee contains spines.
Oh, lychee contains, there are lots of years and spine. This is one factor. Another factor, in apple, there will be presence of natural wax. That's why natural wax can. Due to that reason, the wax will be taken. Transpiration or respiration rate slow down also. Right? Or stage of development. I have already talked. In young tissue, young plant, growing plants, the rate of respiration will be what? Higher or lower? Higher due to the higher surface area to volume ratio, higher SABR. I have already talked. And about the plant, surface area to volume ratio, this is another factor. All the crops, suppose we can compare, if there is more ears, more spines, the leafy type bodies, surface area to volume ratio body, at that condition, the respiration rate will be higher. Chemical composition of the tissue. Tissue is what type of tissue? Determine. Suppose growing tissue, growing plants, growing tips, and that growing tissue or growing tips, the meristematic tissue will be higher. त्यसमा बढी हुन्छ at that condition the respiration rate will be also higher. And another factors, you know, pre-harvest and post-harvest handling or treatments, this is very important factor to determine the rate of respiration. It's vague term. Pre-harvest, post-harvest treatment, handling, there are lots of activity or धेरै कुराहरू छ हैन. यसको बारेमा हामी डिटेल यसको डिफरेन्ट च्याप्टरमा हामी छलफल गर्छौं. पोस्ट हार्भेस्ट operation, post harvest handling operation will describe in detail. By this handling we can determine the rate of respiration, right? During, suppose for example, during the harvesting time, if you handle carefully, then there will be no ounce in the fruits, there will be no ounce in the vegetable, then the rate of respiration भन्नुस् त
सर विजय सरलाई इन गरिदिनु भन्नु न, सबै साथीहरु बाहिर छन् रे.
र मैले चाहिँ मोबाइल ल्याएको छैन, फेरि
विजय सर नै हुनुहुन्न के त, त्यही भएर त्यो इन्ट्री नभएर छ.
कोसँग मोबाइल फोन गर्दै मैले विजयको नम्बर छ नि हैन,
म गर्दिन्छु सर.
फोन गरौँ त. म चाहिँ मैले मोबाइल ल्याएको छैन, फेरि म बाहिर पिजीमा छु, मेरो घरमा अलि नेट प्रब्लम भएर. कुरा भयो संगीता?
हजुर सर, सर्भरमा अहिले इन्टरनेट गएको छ कि अनि अब एकछिनमा हुन्छ भन्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो.
समस्या हुने भयो के भएको थियो?
हजुर, उता अफिसमा चाहिँ इन्टरनेट गएको छ अरे.
यो रेस्पिरेसन यो च्याप्टर त रिपिट भएको भए भयो त हैन, मेनी टाइम्स. के गरौँ एकछिन वेट गरौँ हैन. तपाईहरुको बिहानमा चाहिँ क्लास प्याक छ के छ बिहानमा?
आज बिहान चाहिँ शङ्कर सरको क्लास भएको थियो सर.
कसको?
शङ्कर राज
वर्षले के छ उहाँको भोलि छैन छैन?
उहाँको विजय सरले इन्फर्म गर्छु भन्नुभएको थियो.
बिहानमा अलि क्लियर हुन्छ. कति वेट गर्ने